Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript daily problem solving playlist. So today's problem is check if one array can be nested in another. Create a function that returns true if the first array can be nested inside the second and false otherwise. Array 1 can be nested inside array 2. This is the condition. Array 1's minimum is greater than array 2's minimum and array 2's maximum is less than array 2's maximum. So this is the example. So what it is trying to say is that we have two arrays, right? We have one array, we have the second array. Now there are two conditions. Now it can be true if array 1's minimum, this minimum is greater than array 2's minimum, this is its minimum, and array 1's maximum is less than array 2's maximum. So we have two conditions here. Now this is an array. How do we find out minimum and maximum of an array? To find out, we need to understand few concepts. Math minimum. If you go to the MDN docs, you can find it here. Math.minimum means the math.min static method returns the smallest of the number given as an input parameter or infinity if there are no parameters. So if I give it a number, it is going to output the minimum here, right? It is outputting the minimum. Now if you go to array, you can see that math.minimum and there are some ... then the array name and the expected output is 1. So it is giving us the minimum. If you go to the maximum here, same here, you can find out the maximum from any values and you can see that there are 3 dots in front of the array. So what is that? That is called destructuring assignment. The destructuring assignment syntax is a JavaScript expression that makes it possible to unpack values from arrays. Unpack values from arrays or properties from object into distinct variables. So it is going to unpack everything. So if you look at it here, the rest ... a and b, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and the rest is equal to the rest 30, 40, 50. So it can unpack the values from arrays. So our math minimum and math maximum can go inside that array and figure out what is the minimum and what is the maximum, right? So that is the main concept. Now let's code it up. I have already taken the index and script and linked the script here. But first, let me open it up in the live server. Control Shift J so we can see the console. Okay. Now we are going to create the function constant canNest, right? So we are going to take two parameters. One is going to be ARR1 and the second one is going to be ARR2. And now if else statement, if math dot what are the condition, array 1's minimum is greater than array 2's minimum. Okay, so the condition is math dot minimum is of array 1, a destructure ARR1 greater than math dot minimum ARR2. So this is one condition. So let me wrap it in bracket and so both conditions have to be met. Math dot maximum of array is less than math dot maximum of array 2. If that is the case, then return true and else return false. Let's see if everything is working or not, but before that we need to call the function. Let's see if it is working. So the mistake that I made is that math is going to be capital letter, capital. This is why it was not working. Let's see if it is working now. True. And return console log false. So this is true. Okay. Let's see if it is true for this one as well or not. This one and this one. So it should be true, true, false, false. True, true, false, false. So our code is working. So this is the solution of this problem. So I'll see you in the next video.